This policy is intended to remain in effect only for the duration of the public health emergency related to COVID-19 declared by the Department of Health and Human Services, including any renewals made by the Secretary in accordance with Section 319A of the Public Health Services Act. In this video, we will demonstrate how to effectively decontaminate N95 masks that have been worn by your healthcare workers caring for patients with COVID-19. In addition to this video, please see the provided step-by-step procedure to assist you in formulating your own protocol.
Place masks within an 8-foot wide by 6-foot tall treatment area on your decontamination rack. Center one emitter and place following emitters at the edge of the 8-foot treatment area. The center of each emitter should be distanced 4 feet apart from each other. Position the emitters 1.2 meters away from the rack. Here is a graphic detailing the emitter placement for effective UVC dose delivery. Please note, this is a simulation and you should always follow your facility's personal protective equipment requirements. Before entering the room, follow proper hand hygiene and use personal protective equipment. The mask should be labeled before treatment. Use a permanent marker, name, department, date of first treatment, and a treatment tally. This is to ensure that the mask goes back to the original user. Place masks in brown paper bags and properly label. Hang the masks one by one. Only touch and hang the mask by the elastic band and ensure the masks do not touch each other. Each mask is taut with 4 hooks, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Hang masks one by one on designed mask rack. Please ensure no mask material is lower than 23.5 inches or above 72 inches. The brown paper bags can be carefully disposed. Remove and discard gloves, use proper hand hygiene, replace with new gloves, and proceed to the tablet. From the Surface Net application, log in, select the room, sync devices, tap on Scrub Method and Fix Mode. Tap on Custom Time and select 60 minutes. Align the emitters to set the treatment area boundaries. Each slider bar on the software controls one of the emitters. Move each icon to align the lasers on a target A. As a helpful tip, tape cardstock to the treatment boundary to make the alignment process easier. Tap Set Target and continue to target B. Repeat steps for target B. Only the area between target A and B will receive UVC treatment. Once the alignments are completed, step out of the room carrying the Surface Eye tablet with you. Place the tablet in the tablet holder and close the doors to the treatment area. Remove and discard gloves, use proper hand hygiene, replace with new gloves. Place the safety motion sensors. Continue to the safety checklist. Start the cycle. Surface Eye Scrub feature allows for a targeted area decontamination. Watch the cycle countdown drop down to 30 minutes and pause the cycle. The UV lights will shut off, allowing safe entry. Wipe down tablet and sensor on the door using your facility's EPA-registered disinfectant. Remove and discard gloves, use proper hand hygiene, replace with new gloves. Remove the safety motion sensor from the entryway and enter the treatment area. Rotate the mask holder 180 degrees without touching the mask directly. This ensures that each side of the mask receives a 30-minute UVC treatment. Then step out of the room. Remove and discard gloves, use proper hand hygiene, replace with new gloves. Attach the safety motion sensor to the doorway once again and resume the cycle. Remove and discard gloves, use proper hand hygiene, replace with new gloves. Collect the mess in clean white bags and distribute back to the original user.